wonderful singers, and welcome to your COVO vocal exercise of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen. I am the founder of COVO, which is short for Community Vocalizing. And during our live general COVO vocal workouts this month, our theme has been antique vocalizing. I have been sharing my love of historical vocal pedagogy. That is the history of how singers and singing have been taught throughout the ages by featuring some of my favorite vocal exercises that I have unearthed through my study of historical voice teachers, especially teachers of the 19th century. Every vocal exercise that we have sung during our workouts in October has been drawn from a vocal exercise book that is at least 100 years old. Some of them much older. And these vocal exercise books were called vocal methods. Vocal methods. Our COVO vocal exercise of the week is one of the fan favorite exercises that we have learned this month. I'm calling it French embroidery, as it is a florid agility exercise written by a famous French soprano named Laure Cintidamro. She was well known for performing operatic roles by Rossini. And if you are familiar with Rossini, that's going to make perfect sense when you see this exercise. And here it is. In this exercise, we are going to switch between alternating notes and scales. Alternating notes, and then a scale, and then we just do the same thing again. Now, Cintidamro did not indicate any words or vowels for this exercise, or for any of her vocal exercises for that matter, and this is because the assumption would have been that the singer would use a simple ah vowel. But sometimes, to keep track of where I'm supposed to be in this exercise, I add words to it like this. Alternate and then a scale, alternate and then a scale. I tell myself to alternate and then a scale. Alternate and then a scale, alternate and then a scale. Done, or whatever word you want to use for the final note. So you can use my words if you'd like, or you can use that simple ah vowel. Let's try it together, nice and slow. If you need to breathe somewhere in between, in the middle of the exercise, don't hesitate to do that. If you want to try my words, let's do that. Alternate and then a scale. Alternate and then a scale, alternate and then a scale, alternate and then a scale, alternate and then a scale. Done. Let's try it a little faster, either with or without words. Here we go. Now let's try it once a lot faster, which is probably how she would have had us do it. At this speed, if you lost the ability to cleanly articulate the notes, you could start using syllables, almost like scat syllables, doobie doobie doo, dubba dubba da. I am not sure that Laure Cintidamro would approve, but I think it's kind of fun. So what would that sound like? Doobie 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 dubba 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 da. Or dweeba da, or whatever you like. But try not to stick with these syllables forever. As with any agility exercise, you need to practice slowly at first and work up to singing more quickly with accuracy on a single vowel, which is the more vocally challenging skill. Why don't you try this one more time first without me, and then actually we'll do it 2 more times. Once without me, and then we'll sing it together for one last time. Here you go. Here's your tempo. And one final time together. Here we go. So, I invite you to play with that exercise in the coming week. If you enjoyed this historical exercise, we've got more for you. For the rest of October, our free general workouts, which happen online, are going to continue to be devoted entirely to historical vocal exercises like this one. We would love to have you join us. We meet every Monday and Wednesday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time on Zoom, and instructions on how you can request our free Zoom link is in the description below. If you would like the next vocal exercise of the week to be delivered directly to your inbox, instructions on how to request that are also in the description below. So singers, remember, regular, healthy vocal exercise is the key to your vocal health and your vocal fitness. Every time that you show up at Kovo, you are going to get a fun vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. So we hope to see you there.